You're supposed to throw your clothes one after the other and not all of them together. And then in case you have black clothes, make sure that they are inside out, one after the other. Do not throw all of them inside, because they help wash each other as the machine spins. I'm sure there's no cloth that is fading. That's why I am mixing bright colored clothes and the dark colored clothes. Otherwise you should be washing them like separately. Plus there are few, so they just have to go all of them in there. So for clothes with graffiti or stickers, make sure you turn them inside out so that the stickers do not get tampered with the drum. So you just turn them inside out. Remember, one after the other. Do not throw all the clothes inside at once. Yes. So once you are done throwing all your clothes, put your hands in the washing machine to check if you have overloaded it. So to check that, just put your hand inside on top. Make sure that your hand can go freely to the end without struggle, and you can do that on the sides as well. If your hand can go all the way without any struggle, then you are good to go. If you're struggling to get your hands to the far end, make sure you remove some clothes, because you will have overloaded the machine. Once everything is in there, just close it, and then let's move to setting this. Is where we put our powdered soap. So this is very wrong. When you use powder soap, make sure you put very little so that nothing remains here, because machine uses very little soap. And when you put so much of the powdered soap, with time it will clog the machine. So it's actually advisable to use liquid detergent, but you can use powdered, because there are those that are there designed for this. So I'm using powdered machine soap. It's okay to use that. And then I'll go ahead and put my softener here. If I had anything like jig, I would have put it on the far left. I'll put just a bit of that, and then close that compartment. I'll go ahead and switch on the machine from there. So I've already switched it on from the inside, and then I'll go ahead and switch on the water. Something else, the last person who was using the machine did not completely turn it off, but you should. This is an electric device. Should take care of it by making sure it's completely turned off. So my first option is cotton, goes for 2 hours 24 minutes. The next is cotton eco, goes for 3 hours 30 minutes. And then synthetics go for 2 hours 14 minutes. Woolen hand wash, this is like hand washing your clothes, goes for 1 hour 3 minutes. That is the one we use a lot of time. And then there's express, super express, this goes for only 28 minutes. And then shirts program goes for 2 hours 4 minutes. Then you have the downloaded program. I don't know what that is. Then on this side wash and wear goes for 58 minutes. Hygiene wash and dry goes for 40 minutes. Start. Wash and wear goes for 58. Hygiene wash and dry goes for 40. 6 kg wash and dry goes for 5 hours 39. So this is for wash and completely drying. So this is a wash and dry machine. And then synthetic dry goes for 3 hours and 33 minutes. Cotton dry goes for 2 hours 6 minutes. In case you just want to rinse, it goes for 3 hours and 58 minutes. So I want to try this hygiene wash and dry that goes for 40 minutes. Never used that before, and I want to see how the clothes will come out. Right, so once I'm done setting that, I just go ahead and lock it in. So once I've locked it in, I cannot open it. If I open, the cycle starts, so I'll let it just wash until it's done. The beauty of using a washing machine is now I get to go and do other things as my load goes on, and then after 40 minutes we'll come and see if wash and dry will have the clothes come out completely dry. So our load is done. I'm just going to take it off. We see. Also, because it's wash and dry, it was using very high temperatures. It's so hot. You see the steam coming out. So what I tell you about this specific is use it if the clothes you're washing are not too dirty. If the clothes you're washing are not too dirty and you need them to dry up fast, is when you use that program. Otherwise, you might get disappointed. They're so hot.